Now that you're gone, I finally gotten rid of my anxiety and all the little demons that were haunting me. Tell me why I miss them.
12시 행사는 최종전 라이브 스테이지에서 상대방 인플루언서랑 저랑 그
I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up there.